And we're back to learning to code, and this time I'm going to show you how to use the bold tag in HTML. So it's simply written as AB. Here we've got it. And you can add it to basically any element. For example, inside of a paragraph, let me make the word bold have this tag. It has a closing tag, so don't forget it. I'll save it, reload, and now this word is written in bold. If I would have forgotten the closing tag, everything after the opening tag would have been bold, and I would by default end right here, so where the body ends. Some elements are bold by default, for example an H3. Let me just show you what it looks like. By default it looks like this, and if I add the B tag, we won't see any change at all. So you can make entire paragraphs bold by adding it. So now the B tag is nested inside of this P tag, and that makes the entire paragraph bold. And this is how you can use the bold tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.